ఈ సంబంధించి ఈ అంశాలు ఉన్నాయంటే ముఖ్యంగా చెప్పేసి ప్రశ్న ఏం కావాలో కోరిక చెప్పండి వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు. మీరు చేసిన తర్వాత అగ్రికల్చర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning to the Honorable Minister, Minister of Agriculture, Vice Vivekananda Reddy Garu, Commissioner of Agriculture, Vice Chancellor, all the respected dignitaries of the dais, professors and my dear friends. I am Ramakishore Kumar, student of 3rd year BSc CAVM, representing the self-financed course of BSc CAVM from the College of Agriculture, Bangalore. The course BSc CAVM is established in 2003. It is a 4-year course with 164 credits, including the credits which are included in the horticulture, veterinary sciences, business management, and agricultural marketing, e-commerce, WTO, etc. The detailed information is submitted in the representation letter. With this small backdrop, I would like to bring you your notice that since from the establishment of the course, eligibility is not given to the students for the government job. Our course is designed to deal with the commercial aspects of agriculture and managerial issues. If government jobs are made available for such students, it strengthens the agricultural economy at the national level. We are hoping a positive response from you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
బిఎస్పీ ఏజెన్సీ ఒక మీ పేరు
Good evening to one and all. Myself, Nicola Nagalu, BSc Agriculture, third year. First, I want to congratulate to our Agriculture Minister, Vice Vivekananda Reddy Garu. Sir, Robert Stipend announcement గురించి as that ప్రతి మాకు రావడం అనేది 4th year ఫస్ట్ సెమిస్టర్ ఉంటుంది. ప్రతి ఇయర్ 600 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆ రావడం కోర్స్ రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకొని